Here's Campbell in the elevator. The Holiday Inn. Okay, Campbell, go back to floor 1. Can you push it? Oh no, there it goes. Too late, Campbell. Okay, press number 1. Door close. Hey, what happened to your shoes? Second floor. Door open. It's pretty nice. They've got these cool blue walls. Let's see if the door close button works, Campbell. Hey, door close button works. I like that. There's the phone. Is that an ADA compliant phone? I don't know. Ooh, number 3 is in a beautiful, like, amber color. Orangish, reddish, something-ish. Yeah, Campbell?
Whoa.
Door closed. The elevator's losing its mind, Campbell. We made it!